Hello friends. So today we are going to discuss about the Earth's paralysis. Okay friends. So basically before starting the Earth's paralysis, I want to explain you what is the means of Earth's point. Okay. So as you know about the brachial plexus, there is a root of C5 and C6, and the root are combined to each other and make upper trunk. Okay, this is the point upper trunk, and this is the anterior division, this is posterior division of the upper trunk. Okay fine, this is the suprascapular nerve and this is nerve to subclavius. Okay, so what is the means of Erb's point? Where the six nerves are meet to each other, that point is known as Erb's point. Okay, so this point is known as Erb's point. So what's the really happen if the injury occur in this point? That is known as Erb's paralysis. Okay, so how can the injury occur? The first is commonly the injury. So first is birth injury. The main cause of this injury of the brachial plexus, the first of all, there is an undue separation of the head from the shoulder. Means like this. These types of movement in the injury cause the Erb's paralysis because the upper trunk is involved in the Erb's paralysis. You know guys, and the second one is fall on shoulder, and third one is anesthesia. Third one is anesthesia. So these are the cause of this injury. Okay, and the second one is nerve, means root value. Nerve root कौन कौन से इन्वॉल्व होते हैं इसमें? C5 and C6. Okay friends, so C5 is mainly involved in the Erb's paralysis, but C6 is partially involved. Okay friends, so this is about the Erb's point and injury of the Erb's paralysis. Okay, and the nerve root are involved. And now we have to discuss about the deformity of this Erb's paralysis. Okay, so what is the deformity? First of all, in the deformity, our arm hang by side of the body, okay, and forearm extended and pronated and medially rotated. Okay friends, so arm hang by side the body and medially rotated and medially rotated. Okay friends, and the forearm is extended and in pronation, means pronated, and third one is medially rotated. Okay, so this deformity is also known as the policeman tip hand. Policeman's tip hand. You know guys, why this is known as the policeman tip hand? Because you are seeing in this image, the hand is like this. Okay, so this is a symbol just like that anyone is taking a tips. So that's why sometimes in some cases and some policemen take the tips. So that's why it is known as policeman tip hand. And like this, some waiters. So this is known as waiters tip hand. And third one is porter's tip hand. porter's tip hand. Okay friends, so this is about the deformity, and now we are going to discuss about the what are the deformity, what is the disability will be produced. So basically now first we will discuss muscle paralyzed. Muscle paralyzed. ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो सबसे पहले जो होती है हमारी डेल्टोइड पैरालाइज होती है इसके अंदर, उसके बाद हमारी बाइसेप्स ब्रेकियाई, ठीक, थर्ड वन इज ब्रेकियलिस, फोर्थ इज ब्रेकियोरेडियलिस, and fifth is supraspinatus, sixth is infraspinatus, and seven is supinator. Okay friends, so these muscles are all paralyzed. Okay, and now what is the cause of these muscle paralyzed? Because the Earth's point. Okay, and what happen when these all muscles are paralyzed? So some disability produced. In the disability, the some movements are lost, just like abduction and lateral rotation of the arm, and flexion and lateral rotation of the forearm, and supination also involved in the forearm, it will be lost. Okay, and in the disability you will see the patient also lose a sensory. Okay, like in the lower part of the deltoid there would be a sensory loss. Okay friends, and along with there is a loss of supinator and biceps jerk. Okay friends, so this is all about the paralysis. Thank you so much.